Hello everyone, thank you for coming. Another quick program about converting money into different different money. Okay, so what we want to do is like currency converter. So I've got money converter here, and we will write the money in US dollars, and then select one of the countries and then convert it into a certain amount, and then we just got some option here to change the background into another color. And if we don't want the decimal places in the thing in here, then we take it out. So let's give it a quick run and see how it works. Okay, so as you can see, I've got I'm going to put $20, and I'm going to select British pound, and it changes $20 into 15 pounds British pound. To France it changes into 226 36, sorry. To German is 800, and to Hong Kong is whatever, I lost 1111.11 something like that. And then is Italiano is 2,300. I think that's it. Okay, if we click this button we will end the fin, and if we select this it changes the color into background color into red. And then if we click that, then the 20 dollars, there's no, it takes out the decimal places out of it. So let's stop it and see how what's behind the whole thing. So these, the list thingy, the name is called list 1. For the test is called TXTUSAMT, and then label is probably the same thing. LBUS converter label 1, LB convert amount, and that is a label, by the way. LB con, another checklist, check red. It's not very important, but we need to know the code behind it. And check number US. If we double click into the thing, and under form load we have list 1. We just add everything into list 1 when the form loads. Italian labor, French, British pound, and all those tests into the dot add item of the list component. And if we go down a bit, when we click the list component, we have a select case, and it's got list 1. When select case list 1 dot test select. The first case, what we want to do is when you select Italian, we want the LBL convert amount dot caption to multiply 2,615 by whatever is in the test amount at the top. So let's go back to the form. Okay, so if we go back to the code, then what we have here is under the case, when we want to convert it into Italian, in the caption of the convert label, that is this label that displays the amount of the converter, and we want it to times it by 2,615. So whatever we entered in the test USMT, you want to subtract it by this, multiply it by this, sorry, excuse me. Okay, so just ignore this bit because there's a file that I wanted to show but it's not showing. So for the French bit, we want it to multiply by 11.8, and for the British pound, we want it to multiply it by 0.75. For the German, we want it to multiply by 4. For Hong Kong, you want it to divide by 0.18. Then what we do is we end the select case and that. Okay. When we click on the red check, we do an if statement that says if that dot value is equals to 1, then form 1 dot back color is equals to that color, whatever color you want to give it. Else we want to give it this color, and then else we just want it to be the color that it was before. And the if statement. For the checkbox for not to display the decimal places, we say if that checkbox value is equals to 1, then test us.test mt.test is equals to format it into whatever test is in there, but format it so there's no decimal places. Else give it a decimal place to 2. Then we end the if statement and the sub. So let's give it a quick run and just play around it, and then let's see. I'm just going to give it 40. For British pounds is that. For US dollars, sorry, for Hong Kong, for Italiano. Okay, and if we had the decimal places there, and if we take that, it should take the decimal places off, and then we change the background color. Okay, so thank you for coming, and I hope it helps. Okay, and please come back to my next video. Thank you very much.